Billionaires, how are you today? Okay, so today I am at the Milton estate. I just want to tell you one thing wonderful about this beautiful estate. This estate that is best for you to live in is just right off the expressway. You can see just off the expressway, you go into your estate back. It's just beside the very popular, the very popular Coach Motor just behind me, beside me right now. That's it. That's Coach Motor. And another school here, one of the best schools in Lagos State, is also right here. Look at it. Over there you have the Green Spring Schools. Yes, Green Spring School is actually just beside this estate, and just behind me is the estate. Just walk, that's it. That's just the estate there. So I'm going to take you to the estate to show you that this is a place where you need to stay in. Now, if you're that person that is looking for land or a house where you don't have to go into one corner road or something like that, you want a well quiet estate in a place that you know that okay, serenity is there, security is there, and then you can be able to get access to so many facilities around, like the banks, shopping malls, market, and all that. Everything is close by. Just beside us here is the market. There's a market here for you to go and buy a grocery. There's even other eateries. There's banks around. There's over there you have what we call the UBA and all that. So this is a place to stay in, and I'm going to take you inside to show you. Okay, so this estate, the Milton estate, is actually is in Awoyaya, actually close to landmarks like the Coach Motor, Lagos Business School, Novare Mall, right off the expressway, and beside is are wonderful schools like Green Spring Schools and Caleb International. This is an amazing estate for you who wants to have a family, or you who wants to do the business of renting or shortlets. All right, so we are here in the Milton. Oh, I'm super excited. Now, right here in Awoyaya, do you know that you can make rental income of about 3.5 million to about 4.5 million for a 3-bedroom terrace in a fully serviced estate? And that's what the Milton is all about, a fully serviced estate that is selling both a 3-bedroom terrace duplex going for 60 million naira per unit, or our land value here is 35 million naira for one plot. Yes, so you can actually make rental income here by having a property here that you can charge every year, or you can even put it up for shortlets. Seeing that the estate is just off the express, it's going to be a very good place for you to have shortlets. And guess what? For shortlets, you can make between 80,000 naira to 120,000 naira per night. First for shortlet rental here. Yeah, very exciting, right? It's a good place for you to own your own home. It's also a beautiful estate for you to use for business and rental income purpose. Yeah. All right, right here in the Milton estate, we're selling to you both lands and houses. You can subscribe to our 3-bedroom terrace duplex in our Terra Gardens for the price of 60 million. Or you can subscribe to our land that is a 500 square meter selling for the price of 35 million naira. You can even do this because this property has a title governor's consent, so you are guaranteed only the best here. With facilities and infrastructures like street light, road network, good road network, 24-hour security, 24 hours lights, ample parking space for cars, as well as other facilities coming in this estate, you are sure to get a well-serviced estate in the Milton estate. So, what are you waiting for? Come now and subscribe to the Milton estate. I mean, you're already seeing that this estate is already a fully functioning estate. People have started building, people are already trying to move in here, and infrastructures are being set in the estate. So it's not something you will buy and have to live for a very long time. You can buy and start building immediately. Give me a call or click on the button you're seeing on your screen right now to subscribe to this estate. The estate has amenities, infrastructures, very good for rental purpose, also good for short-let purpose. If you're also looking for something to build for you, yourself, and your family that is just right off the expressway in a quiet and serene environment, then it's the Milton estate that is the one that you want to buy for yourself. So in the Milton estate, we are selling right here 300 square meters, 500 square meters. Also, we have 3-bedroom terrace duplex also for sale for 60 million, and our 500 square meter is selling for 35 million naira per plot. There is nothing that is supposed to stop you from calling me right now or clicking on the link you're seeing on your bottom right now to book for an inspection to this estate and purchase. Yes, I mean purchase. So this is me, Maureen, waiting for you to call me right now.